show you how to register with Afriq Arbitrage system, also known as AAS, and how to fund your accounts. This is very important. Okay, now go to the description, then you will see the link there. Click on the link to get registered if you have not. As you click on the link, it brings you to this very page. So this column is for your name. So enter your name here, then country code, you select your country. So for example, you are from Nigeria, you select your country code. Nigeria is 234. So you select 234 here, scroll down to 234. Right, select 234, then you enter your phone. So you don't need to start with 080 or 089. No, you remove the 0, the first 0. So if your number starts with 081, you just enter 81 and continue with the rest. Okay, then you enter your email, the password, and here you confirm your password and you type on create account. Your account will be created. So now I will show you how to deposit or fund your account. How to fund your account or how to make deposits. Now, so after you must have registered, you can log in or sign in. You tap here, let me show you. You click here, then you go to deposits. Okay, then you come to deposit here, you click on it. It will take you to the page. Alright, now this is the page. Select wallet, you tap on it, tap on select wallets. Okay, tap on select wallets. Then here is where you will enter the amounts that you want to use for the trading. Okay, so let's say you want to use $50 USDT, or the minimum is $20. But don't forget, you cannot just deposit $20. You have to add the transaction fee. So let's assume we are depositing $24. So you enter your $24 here. So $24 here. This place is where you will select your wallet. Okay, then you select total. The minimum deposit is 20. You select this column. Okay, select it, that's it, and you tap on continue. Okay, so it will move you to the next page where you can copy your address. Now see the address now. So really we selected 24 USDT. So this is the amount we need to send to these accounts, 24.156. Okay, so you can scroll it. You will click on this copy icon to copy this address. Alright, so and Binance we also charge 0.65. so now you have to consider that too. So tap here. As you tap here, it will copy the address. Then we can now go to your Binance, or if you are using any other exchangers, you can also use transfer or deposit from there also. So but for the sake of this video, I'll be using Binance. So after copying it, and mind you, don't forget, don't close this page. You can read here. Please do not close this window until the payment is confirmed. So you just minimize it and you go to your Binance to deposit, to make the deposit. Okay, don't forget you copy the address from here. Okay, all right, this is Binance. So from Binance now, if you are using Binance, you enter Binance in order to make your deposit to the AAS. Okay, alright, from wallet, go to sports. Just tap on sports here, come to withdraw. Okay, from withdraw, you select USDT because you are using your USDT. You tap USDT here and you select send via crypto network. Then the address you copied from your AAS, you paste it here. Okay, just press it down to paste it. You paste the address here. Okay, the network, you select the network. Don't forget the network is TRC20. You select here. After the selection, you click on confirm. Okay, then the amount you are sending, you enter it here. Don't forget, that's us to send 24.156. If you are sending 24.156, Binance charges $1. But if you don't want, you can also add the $1 of Binance. But if not, you still deduct it from your normal USDT. So this is it. The next thing is to now click on withdraw. So as you tap on withdraw, it will send to your AAS. And don't forget, you come back to your AAS, automatically AAS will recognize the deposit. You need to wait for the payment. Once the payment is done, then it will tell you that AAS has approved your payment, and after that you will see it in your dashboard. You're able to view it in your dashboard. So that's all you need to do. This is how to register with AAS and make your deposit. It's as simple as that. Now with that, we are having 23.01 here from the dashboard, and automatically the system will move your money to the investment. All you need is just to deposit. It's automatic. The system is already programmed in a way that it will be buying low from one exchange and go to other exchanges to sell. So, and we now return your profit and the capital. Okay, so I encourage you, this is not a Ponzi scheme, this is a Ponzi killer. So try to key in. Now the minimum is $20 and you can withdraw at any time. And when making deposits, don't make deposit of $20 exactly because of the charges. Okay, so if you have not subscribed to this channel, subscribe and give it thumbs up Okay, see you in the next video. Thank you, stay blessed, and happy new year. Bye for now.